Hello friends, welcome back to Francis Tech and to another video. It's been a while since I last uploaded due to busy schedule at school, but today I will give a quick review and an unboxing of the KZ SZN PRO X earphone. So let's go! And right out of the box, the earphone comes with a fairly quite small packaging with a clear case, and I think it's enough to keep the product from damage. And as you can see, the earphone is not connected to the cord because it is a modular type of earphone. So here is the KZ SZN PRO X buds. The buds of this earphone is quite large if you ask me, but I think it will fit fairly well in an average ear, and I'm having a hard time removing this paper from it. So here are the KZ SZN PRO X buds, and I think that the cord is on the other box. On the other part of the box. The buds of the KZ SZN PRO X is transparent, so you can basically see the drivers inside and the wires. And also it comes with 4 different sizes of earbud tips, and the noise cancellation of these earphones will be amazing as long as you choose the proper size of tips for your ear. So these are the rubber tips. They come in different sizes. And now let's go to the cord of the earphones. The cord of the earphone is 125 cm based on the product description, and it is quite long. The cord is clear in color and it is braided, and it comes with a 3.5mm audio jack. The earphone has a hook type design which makes it cling to the ear and doesn't fall off easily. If you enjoy a bassy earphone, the KZ SZN PRO X has a very solid and punchy bass, but aside from this, the mids and the highs of the earphone is also good. The bass doesn't drown out the mids and the highs, so it has a good balance in sound quality. So here are the more technical specifications of the KZ SZN PRO X earphone. Overall, the KZ SZN PRO X earphones is a good budget quality earphones because of its price range, and that the sound quality of the product doesn't sound cheap. It sounds quite fairly good for its price point. What I love more about this earphone is that it is modular, and it means that I could upgrade it to a Bluetooth earphone by using a compatible module for KZ SZN PRO X. It means that I could have a wired earphone and a wireless earphone at once, and I just need to swap it out. Thank you everyone for watching. I haven't uploaded in a while due to a busy schedule from school. Drop a like if you liked the video, sub to the channel if you loved it. See you in the next one.